Hi, my name is Harshan Suredi and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about Supreme Court to hear plea to evaluate PG resident doctors on basis of internal and other assessments. The doctors have contended that expecting a doctor to sit for a theory examination in absence of any preparatory leave and without a reasonable notice to prepare is unjust and manifestly arbitrary. The Supreme Court will hear tomorrow a writ petition filed by a group of 17 final year resident postgraduate doctors seeking alternate mode of assessment, considering the fact that many such doctors are still serving in COVID-19 duties. The resident PG doctors have submitted that in the middle of their routine COVID-19 duties, which usually range 8 to 12 hours a day and up to 24 hours depending on the nature of the duty. They were shocked to note that the university started to announce timetables for final year examinations. The petitions have contended that the plea is not seek cancellation or postponement of the final year examination, but rather calls for an alternative mode of assessment to be adopted. They may include assessments of basis of practical examinations and on assessment on the basis of internal assessments. The doctors have contended that expecting a doctor to sit for a theory examination in the absence of any preparatory leave and without a reasonable notice to prepare is unjust and manifest arbitrary. This will not only be life threat to the patient which the doctor is attending, but at the same time will also expose them to the deadly virus. It is dangerous more so because they will able to come back from examination and attend the COVID patients who are most vulnerable to any kind of exposure, the police stated. The National Medical Commission on April 27 had clarified that in order to ensure that there is no shortage of resident doctors in handling the surge of COVID-19 cases across the country, the service of resident postgraduate students may be continued to be utilized until fresh batches of postgraduate students have joined. They have also pointed out that the central government had on May 3 clarified that the NET-PG is postponed for 4 months and will not held before August 31st, 2021. It was also announced that the professionals who sign up for minimum 100 days of COVID duty and complete it successfully will be given Prime Minister's Distinguished COVID-19 National Service Samman from the Government of India on the basis of the assurance many doctors joined COVID duties. While the doctors are rendering their duties to safeguard the interest of the entire country, a reasonable consideration must be given by the authorities before passing an abrupt decision regarding conduct of the final year examination, which any event is against its own notification and also against the spirit of Prime Minister's statement dated 3/5/21. The petition stated. It is further that the expecting the PG students to appear in theory paper which would last for 10 to 14 days is unreasonable and arbitrary and will amount of flagrant violation of their fundamental right and guaranteed under Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution of India. Thank you.